Hello students. So in this map we will be discussing about the another geological feature that is called as fold. Okay, we will be talking about the drawing of the fold map. We will be talking about drawing of the fold map. So what is fold? Fold is nothing but the undulation of the rock. So if you say that rock may get undulated, okay, they may form a wavy zigzag form like this. They may form a wavy zigzag form. So that zigzag forms are called as folds. So when a fold is formed, we find that there will be something called as axis, which divides the fold into two equal halves. And these corners are called as limbs. This is called as limbs. If the limbs are dipping away from it, such folds are called as anticline, and if the limbs are dipping towards the axis fold, then it is called as then such maps are called as the so-called syncline folds. So we will be drawing these syncline or anticline folds in our geological map. With this background, we will start drawing of the maps directly. We will be start the drawing of the maps. Okay. So in this, first let me take a map. So this is the map where we will be discussing about the geological feature called as fold. So this is my x point and this is my y point. So first task what I will do is I will join this x and y point. Okay. So I will take pencil and I will say okay, I join my x and y point. Once I join my x and y point, the next immediate task which I need to perform is the taking down of the values. That part I will be doing it now. So I will hold it in this fashion. So that all my points will be covered. Okay, and I will start recording the points. So I will say this is my point x. Then I have the value as 800. Then I have a bedding plane, that is G and F. Then I have a contour value as 700. Then again a bedding plane F and E, then 600, then a bedding plane here, that is E and D, then again a bedding plane, this D and C, contour value as 500, bedding plane C and B, bedding plane B and A, then a contour value of 400 and this is 400, then the bedding plane A and B, bedding plane B and C, bedding plane C and D, okay, C and D, and then I have another bedding plane that will be my D and, just check what it is, that will be D and E, and I have my point Y. So with this, this will be able to plot the profile. So I have a profile already drawn. I have taken down the profile. You can see this is my profile. This has been drawn here, and I already taken down the values. With this, I have plotted the profile. But here we need to understand in which direction the beds are dipped. So we'll be taking down the 2 points. Important points are dip direction and dip amount. Dip direction and dip amount will be calculated. So let's find out. Before this, we should draw the strike lines. Okay. So I will be drawing the strike lines. We will be holding a map in this fashion. Then we will find out. This is how we will get it. So this is probably the more number of points will cross here, and I will be drawing the first line. Okay. First, I need to mark all these points where bedding and contour lines are meeting. Okay. After this, you should draw the all parallel lines. I will be drawing it. Okay. So I will take this. This is my first point. Then I have another point over here cutting. Second line. Then again I have another here. That is third line. In same way, parallelly on the other side of the line also I will be drawing it. Okay. So this is one, Then I have another one is this. Another one is this. Another one is this. And the last one will be this. So I completed drawing of the so-called the straight lines. After I completed the drawing of straight lines, I should find out the dip direction. How will we find out the dip direction? So I'll start moving on one of the bed. I'll consider this bed. I'll hold it this way. I'll consider moving of this bed. With this, I started here. I reached here. I got the value as 700. Same way, I'll be going further. I got 600. So 600. In this map, the first and foremost point is that we should find out the dip direction for almost all the bedding planes. Because here this is either anticline or syncline. Okay, after drawing only we will come to know whether it is anticline or syncline, and every bed had its own opinion, or rather it dips in different direction. Same way, if you consider the bed D, bedding plane ED. Okay, this bedding plane if you consider, this may be parallel to this, you will get the same. This will again you will get the same. This will again get the same. But here it is in the opposite direction. How I will tell you. I will start moving it here. I got a value of here as 300. Okay, and then I will move it here. This is 400. Higher to lower, it is going in different direction. This happens because of the moving of the bedding planes. So, with this, we can conclude that this and this bed, again this bed, are dipping due x, okay, while this point, and this point are dipping due y. Okay, so I'll write down the dip direction here as x as well y. Okay, so I'll not go for the deep bit. The next is strike interval, contour interval into, I can write down directly as 100 or 1:100 as the scale. Okay, then I'll say strike interval as 100. Contour interval we need to measure. How I'll be measuring it? That I'll take a scale and start measuring from this point till this point. This is the first strike line which is coming on XY line. Okay, till here I will measure. Because I am interested to draw only the limited extent on my profile. So I got a value of 17.5. Okay, 17.5. And how many intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 intervals I got. Here also I will get 2.8 or 2.9 as value. So I mentioned 2.8 by 100. So 100 went. Okay, I got the value as 1:2.8. Once I complete this part, because I understood on both the sides it is, and value is 1:2.8. Once I get this, what I should do is, I should draw 1 centimeter downwards. I should draw 1 centimeter downwards here. Okay, and same way the 1 centimeter at this point as well. 2.8 again on both the sides. So here also I will draw 2.8. Here I will draw 2.8 here. Okay, same way here also I will be drawing 2.8. 1, 2 and my 2.8. Both the sides, because some beds are dipping to x, some beds are dipping to y. So again I will join this. Same way I will join this part also. Same way I will join this part as well. Okay, so with this I completed the first task. Second task is to map the bedding planes. We have not done that at the beginning, so now I will be doing it. All the beds I should mark. let us note down which are dipping due x and which are dipping due y. So with this we understood that up to AB, up to yes, this type they are dipping due x. So I'll just mark a small line, okay, for our understanding. These are due x and these are due y. These are due y. This will help us in drawing it in a very easy manner. Okay, so I'll start from here. Start from here. I'll say okay. This is my first bed. This is my second bed. This is third, which is due x again. This is fourth, which is due x again. This is my next bed, which is due x again. Another way, this is my bed. Okay, so here it completes. Here onwards the bed are dipping due y. So I'll take this as my reference, this as my reference, and I'll say okay, this is my first bed, this is my second bed, this is my third bed, and this is my fourth bed, which is in this direction. Okay, so this is how I'll be completing. Now this becomes A, B, C, D and E. Same way, B, C, D, E, F and till G we have. Till G we have. Now what you should do is, you should extend these lines so that it will, now here if I extend it will not be proper. So B to C contact I'll extend. B to C contact I'll extend. Here also I'll extend the B to C contact. Here I'll just extend to this much side so that this will get joined. Okay. So it got joined now. Same way I'll extend this part. Again I'll extend this part as well. This part and I'll extend it. Okay. Same way I'll extend this as well. And this bed as well. This is how you should complete this. Okay. So we got something like folded one, anticline, and the only to this part. We'll be doing coloring to only to this part, not to this part. Okay. I'll just make a coloring here. Okay. So once you complete the map, this will look like this. Okay, which you can take for the further reference. Thank you.